Hi everyone, I'm still a beginner in restoring knives, so if there are any mistakes, I'm sorry. Old Cleaver. First use 80 grit sandpaper. Optionally use WD-40 to get rid of the rust faster. If all parts have been sanded, then do the corner sharpening with the same grit sandpaper. Continue to 120 grit sandpaper. You can go from 100 to 120 grit, but I only have 120 grit. Continue to 240 grit sandpaper. This is actually wrong. It should be gradual with 180 sandpaper, only I only have 240 grit. So the change of sandpaper should not be 2x the previous size. This side has been sanded with 240 grit. The other side is still grit 120. The black bits are still visible. Grit sandpaper. This side has been sanded with 400 grit. The other side is still grit 240. The black bits are still visible. Sandpaper should be up to 2000 grit size for perfect results. using metal polish. Do it 4 to 5 times, I think it's enough. Only because I sanded up to 400 only, then I polished metal up to 6 times.
No.
This session is finished in polished metal. The other side has not been polished metal, it still looks dull. Smooth out the excess glue to make it look neat. This test I was a little afraid, because the wood is short.